Welcome to this educational video on the pillars and conditions of prayer. In this video, we will go over the essential elements you need to understand before you perform your prayer correctly. First, pillars of prayer. The pillars of prayer are the actions that are essential for the prayer to be valid. Without any of these actions, the prayer is incomplete, and skipping them either intentionally or unintentionally requires making up for the mistake through a prostration of forgetfulness. Here are the fundamental pillars of prayer. 1. Intention. Niyya. The intention is made in the heart before starting the prayer. Without intention, the prayer is invalid. 2. Takbir al-ihram. Opening takbir, the raising of the hands, and saying Allahu Akbar to begin the prayer. 3. Standing. Qiyam. For those who are able, standing is an essential part of the prayer. 4. Bowing. Ruku. Bending at the waist with the back straight and head level with the back facing the ground. 5. Raising from bowing. Returning to an upright position after the bowing. 6. Prostration. Sujud. The act of placing the forehead and nose on the ground in submission to Allah. 7. Raising from prostration. After prostration, sitting briefly before returning to prostration. 8. Tashahhud. Testification. Sitting during the prayer to recite the testimony of faith, the Shahada. 9. Taslim. Salutation, concluding the prayer with a peaceful greeting on the right and left side. Second, conditions for prayer. Conditions are requirements that must be fulfilled for the prayer to be valid. If one of these conditions is not met, the prayer will be invalid. 1. Purity. Tahara. The person must be free from major or minor impurity, either by performing ablution, wudu, or a full ritual washing, ghusl. 2. Covering the Awrah. The private parts must be properly covered during prayer. 3. Entering the time. Dukhul al-waqt. Prayer must be performed within its designated time. 4. Facing the Qiblah. The individual must face the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca. 5. Intention. Niyya. The prayer must be performed with a clear and conscious intention in the heart. 6. Being a Muslim. The prayer is only valid for those who are Muslim. Before you begin your prayer, ensure that you meet all of these pillars and conditions to ensure that your prayer is correct and accepted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more religious topics and teachings.